Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update PUBG Mobile to 1.9. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Now what we have to do, connect to Wi-Fi and launch App Store. After launching the App Store, we have to tap on profile icon in top right corner. On next page, we have to tap on profile icon. After loading, we have to tap on country or region. Tap again change country or region, and we have to choose Singapore from the list. We are not going to choose any other country, only Singapore. Now tap agree in top right corner and tap agree again. Select none. Now put street any. But we have to put the postcode. Exact postcode is 520110. Use the same postcode and put your phone number. Now tap next. And tap done. Now your App Store move to the Singapore store. Force close the App Store and launch again. Tap search and update your PUBG to 1.9 from Singapore store. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.